I like driving motorcycle, but he's driving four wheels to Subic Bay for one day. He's really enjoy.
Last day of the trip. Back to the villa.
Hello to all good morning. It's the last day in Bataan. My husband.
Peace out. Sayonara.
No, we speak English.
Huh?
We speak English.
Put.
So tomorrow we're gonna go to Manila. Now we go to breakfast in Ground Royal.
Yeah, my wife has expensive fish.
My husband.
That's enough money.
Jerry's Grill. Oh my god. It's yummers that expensive, guys.
I enjoy it. We won't be having this anymore. That's the little lazy all the time. I got a place in town to do my lunch. I'll take you there. You won't want to go nowhere else. Oh my god.
Same here.
I haven't gone there for a couple of years. Took a month. That's what working. I can't go there.
Hello to Ogadigma. It's the last day in Bataan.
Staying back on summer.
Mama.
I have to go back to waiting for a visa.
We are waiting for visa. Then tomorrow we're gonna go to Manila. I hope pretty soon pretty soon the visa. I'm the one to fly.
All the people come across the southern border. They just walked into our country. We have to wait 1 year. We have to pay $3,000 just to get vaccinations.
And interview medical.
And then 10 million people come for free.
You like Crown coffee. Crown Royal Bataan. It's good, mga kaligma. or history.
Take a picture.
Benji! Hello! Papuntang Landis Oras. Kuya Arman.
Dito kami sa Orion ulit.
So, yan mo sinakaya namin. May shortcut doon, no?
Shortcut. Diretso tayo ah.
Yung malagay kayo sa YouTube. So, nandito kami sa Orion Fair.
Orion Beer.
Bataan. I love. You like fishball? Nah, hi.
Fish balls.
Just only Philippines. Not US.
Fish balls.
Yummy.
And Mount Summit.
Yeah. Bang sama. Wala akong stick. Sana lang.
Remember, we go there. Super.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, nagbablog. We're now in Orion. Not tomorrow. Yeah. Next time. Next trip. Pagod na mag-vlogan. Hawakan mo, te.
So expired by
It's only in the Philippines.
Ayaw. Si Kuya ba nga? Dad!
Malinis naman.
Tina, ayaw niya.
Malinis po yan, kuya.
Ayaw ni Tina.
Nalinis po yan.
Paborito ni Kuya mo to.
My husband, he like ocean and lakes. So guys, nag-enjoy talaga. He is enjoying in Orion Fair, Bataan. Hope see you next time. Enjoy?
Summit.
Yeah. What time is now?
Huh?
6 p.m.
High tide.
Where are you now?
Orion.
Philippines? Talk, my love. Your time. Glowy.
I can speak Filipino.
You like my love? Brace is good.
Have to go back to Manila tomorrow. Fly back to the USA. Wait for the visa. Yippee-ki-yay.
I will come back again here next year.
This year.
Next year, my love.
Come back?
Here.
Yeah, come back, yeah.
We come back together
Yeah.
here.
Let's go sit on the bench before somebody else grabs it.
Sit down. Every Saturday and Sunday, a lot of people, guys, but another day, few only. It's beautiful. Try. It's amazing.